In this video, we're going to demonstrate how you will be able to rid of specific cravings. The process is called triplicate, and we'll explain why. The first step in triplicate is to take a Sensotherapy capsule of your choice. We have 3 different capsules: white, yellow, and blue. The white capsules suppress your appetite and they have no side effects. That's why it's very useful in the second part of the day, especially in the nighttime, as it has no effects on your sleeping. Then we have the yellow capsules. These also suppress your appetite and gives you additional energy. The blue capsules suppress your appetite, but they also give you the greatest energy boost of the 3 options. The second step is to wash down the capsule with half a glass of water. Today, Anna's going to be taking the white pill. The third step in the triplicate is using Sen spray. Simply hold the bottle to your mouth and spray between 3 to 6 pumps. Make sure to simply spray into the mouth directly. It doesn't have to be used on a certain section of the tongue to work. And within 15 to 20 seconds, the spray will eliminate your hunger, either mental or physical. The spray is great. It eliminates your hunger right away and will work for about an hour. That's why we recommend using the capsule of your choice together with the spray, so when the effect of the spray wears off, the effect of the capsule kicks in about 40 minutes. That's how you will get the full protection for 4 to 6 hours. And you can repeat that process as many times as you need. Remember, it's important that you take the capsule and water first before you use the spray, so you don't dilute its effects. Now, check out our video about Sen paste, which helps control hunger by attacking your cravings at their source, right on your tongue.